and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a pancake. So the first thing I need to do is choose which pancake I use. Am I going to use buttermilk or maple syrup? And I think I'm going to choose okay, so I'm going to start with the fruit. So which fruit do I want? They're all really good, but I'm going to go for these. I'm going to decorate it really nice. By the way, the fruit we have are strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. And I chose these because they're so good. I hope Amy chooses something different, because that's what I want her to do. They're really good. Okay, so that's my fruit down.
I said that we're going to get Amy to do fruit, but I was wrong. We're not doing that. So
Okay, so I chose blackberries. Now I've got to be really quiet because Amy is just around and I don't want her hearing. So now I'm going to do this sauce. So we have maple syrup, which is golden syrup, or chocolate. I'm gonna go for maple syrup because I don't think Amy will choose it. Okay, now we got sprinkles. We have the chocolate ones with sprinkles on, called mini jazzies. I think that's what they're called, or rainbow confetti. So I think I'm going to choose the rainbow confetti. And I am done. So hopefully Amy, he doesn't guess what I did, because I do want to win. So yeah. This is my twin sister Amy. Stop eating the fruit. So she's gonna do her pancake now. So
Yeah.
Stop eating.
I want this pancake.
What pancake is it?
This one.
What? You have to say what it is.
Maple syrup.
Okay, so she's using maple syrup.
It's my cousin.
They're already open.
I never do this.
Okay, now you've got to choose your fruit. What fruit is it?
Strawberries. Chloe.
You have to say what it is.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. For the video. Okay, now what sauce? You just will.
I'm not using maple.
So you're choosing chocolate.
Yeah. Why?
Because I have to say it so they know. Because chocolate and strawberries are really good.
Yeah.
Okay, now choose your thing. You have mini jazzies, I think that's how it's called, or confetti.
Rainbow confetti, Chloe.
Okay.
I could do it like this.
Yeah, that's how you do it. That's it. Just, okay. So that is your pancake. You have, what do you have on it?
Chocolate sauce, confetti, and strawberries.
And now time for the big reveals. So I'm gonna reveal mine and Amy's eating. Stop eating.
No, one did.
I have maple syrup, blackberries, and confetti. Whereas you have
chocolate syrup.
chocolate syrup.
So it's just the same pancake.
Yeah, I choose maple syrup pancake.
Yeah.
Okay, so we had 2 right and 2 wrong.
So we're on round 2. And I'm going first this time. It's breaking. Oh well. I'm so bad at picking these up. Yeah, big fruit. So the first thing I'm going to pick is raspberries this time. Just going for free because we're running out. And I'm going to pick this sauce this time.
What sauce is it?
Golden golden syrup. So I think that should be good. And finally, mini jazzes. The milk chocolate ones, because I don't like white chocolate. I'll put the rest of them back on. I want to try one first though. Never had one of those. I might have, but I don't remember. I think that's good. That's really good. Okay, so now we need to cover this up.
So I just had my pancake and blackberries, maple syrup. That's a lot of maple syrup I had, and it tasted a little bit weird. So hopefully this one will be better. So I'm gonna actually go for the buttermilk pancakes because they actually smell really nice.
Do they?
Yeah, smell them.
Oh yeah.
And then I'm gonna go for raspberries because I like raspberries. And I'm squished. I'll put the squished one on to show I don't care.
You can eat that one.
Okay.
Next.
I'll order for it. That's the syrup. I'm gonna go for the chocolate syrup because I had went for the maple syrup last time and it wasn't that good with the blackberries.
It's golden syrup.
The golden syrup is also called maple.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, there's two names for it. And I think chocolate and raspberries will go very nice together. Okay. And finally, I'm gonna go for the mini jazzies because they look really good and I taste them behind the camera and they were so good. Okay.
Oh, you're spilling them everywhere.
I don't even have that many on.
You should do Chloe, stop.
I'm going
Let
more.
me stop.
Okay. So that is my pancake. And I can't wait to see
Really?
Amy's.
Oh, Abby's tired.
Looks so good.
Mine though looks better. I broke it then.
You put maple syrup.
Yeah.
I
And
put
I used this pancake.
I used the astronaut. I'm gonna taste it now.
So 2 out of 2 again.
Yep. Watching. I hope you enjoyed it. But before we go, make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. By the way, raspberry chocolate sauce, mini sprinkles, and the buttermilk pancakes are delicious. So you should go and try it. Bye.